Hi everyone, welcome to our February set of videos. If you've never seen one of my videos before, my name is Adrienne and I love to empower other homeschool mamas who are also really into living toxin-free, and this month's videos are going to focus on bones. So this video is just going to be like an intro, some definitions, some facts about our bones, and then I will get into ways that we can support our bones better because they are super important in our body. So bones are made up of a few different things: protein, collagen, and then a mineral called calcium phosphate are the three main things that our bones are composed of. We have 4 different types of bones in our body. There are long bones like our femur and our humerus. We have short bones like our carpals, which are our wrist bones, and the patella, which is your kneecap. Those are considered short just because they are short. Very self-explanatory, right? Then we have flat bones called the scapula and the sternum are some examples. And then there is a 4th category called irregular bones that don't really fit any of the other categories, like your vertebrae and your spine or your cheekbones. So just some fun facts for you. Bone is living tissue in our body and it needs to be supported and taken care of just like everything else. It needs nutrients and oxygen and nerves to survive and thrive and be its best, healthiest self. So just a few jobs. Our bones and our skeletal system have lots of jobs in our body, but just a few. The main jobs: it provides support and kind of a structure for our body. It helps to protect our internal body parts, especially like you think of like your ribs, protecting your lungs and your heart. It produces blood cells. So the marrow inside of our bones actually makes red blood cells and white blood cells, and it stores minerals like phosphorus and calcium. Just a little fun fact about our bones: there's about 206 total bones in adults, but newborns have 270. Some places I looked even said upwards of 300, just because our body was created by God to be able to go through that birth canal and have the flexibility there. So some parts of babies' bones aren't fully developed. They're more like a cartilage and kind of soft, and as they grow and develop, those bones actually harden. Like their skull isn't one complete piece like as an adult, so that they can easily go through that birth canal, and that's just part of the grand design. So I hope that video was interesting. Maybe you learned a couple things about bones. It's kind of an area of health that I feel like is neglected a little bit. So I thought it might be fun to spend a whole month just talking about ways that we can support that.